If you haven't, watch Part 1, Create Images for Custom Products in Deco Network, where I've made all the color images for the front and back to create this custom product. Within the Admin Products module, select Add Custom Product from the menu. Select a product group. I am choosing Customer Supplied because this category is for contract goods we receive from our customer. Enter a product name and product code. These shirts are one solid color, so select that and hit Save. When the Create Virtual Sample comes up, select Separate Image for each color. This brings up the directory so you'll find the first front image to load into the system. Click Upload. Fill out the product view name with front and hit OK. Under Select Color, choose black and hit OK. This will take you to the general settings of the new product where you can add a short description like this. Next, go to the Views and Decoration areas. I am choosing screen printing for this shirt. And then it's time to add the back view. Just like before, separate image for each color, choose File, find the back image for the black shirt and upload. Product view name, back, and OK. Now straight to the Add area on the front. It brings up a menu of different presets. For this, I'm making my own left chest, although it is really a left pocket, and I'll rename that later. Set dimensions. The spec for this pocket art is a max of 3 by 3 inches, so I will change the default and size the print area box to fit right on the pocket. The same thing goes for the printable area on the back. As you start adding more colors, it can be a little confusing at first, but I reference my spreadsheet and select the next color to make, which is offshore green. If that is a new color, then select Define New Color and select one of the color squares to represent something close to the color of the shirt. Enter the new name, hit OK, and now choose the front image for the offshore green. As you can see, the decoration area is already set perfectly. After doing some more, you might think, but what about the back images? Here's what you do. Go to the Views and Decoration areas and click on the back image. The top right, it shows you only 2 of the 4 images are ready. Select Change Color. 2 back images are missing, so I will select University Blue and upload that file, and the printable surface is right where it needs to be, so you can go right back to Change Color and upload the back image for the offshore green. I like to do all the backs at one time, but I wanted you to see the process. Let's assume all your colorways are done. Let's complete this process by going down the list. Pricing. I'm going to leave this garment at 0 since these are contract goods. Up in the contract price level, I will select the print pricing table that I use for this customer specifically. Taxes. This company is exempt. Minimum quantities. No need to apply that to this customer. Under sizing, define my own sizing, and I'll jump back to my spreadsheet for this SKU and see that extra small through 2X is the size scale. Click the gear and select Size field as on. Delete all the unneeded sizes. Next, go to Shipping Dimensions and Weight. Once again, not needed for this particular customer. Now to production, and you'll see the custom processes I have created. These shirts are always screen printed, so I will select the 3 screen printing processes available for screen printing. Supplier and purchasing, not needed. SKU and inventory. Reference the spreadsheet and fill it in for each color and size, although it is not necessary unless you like that level of detail on contract goods. Categories. It's already in the customer supplied. Images, no more needed. Don't need product specs or meta information or related products either. Availability. This is only available in Business Hub because once again, these shirts are contract goods shipped in by the customer. Customer fields. We have created some just for this customer for folding and bagging and tagging, so I will turn them on. Decorated products not used in this case. After saving, you can immediately go into the Business Hub and create a test quote. I use a test customer and open the product selector and look for the new SKU under the customer supplied category. Right there it is. Now you can change the colors, add quantities, decorations, and the product finishing just like any other product. Until next time, thanks for watching.